So we're going to the van, going to the plane, and going to Amampulo.
You know, here we are.
Vlog din siya, oh.
Clark International Airport.
And Nari? Hi, Nari. Say hi to my vlog.
Sarili vlog?
Yes. Hi, Naka. Say hi to my new
ส
vlog.
วัสดีค่ะได้ตุ้ม
Ayun
แล้ว
naman
นะ
yung
คะ
plane.
ตุ้มค่ะปีเลยนะคะดูได้ละหายปีแล้วนอได้สปาลิกัน
Ay
ผ่าน
lang
ล
naman
ง
yung plane, pero dinan pa. My gosh.
It's a small plane.
Oo, ganyan lang naman siya. Pero nung last time pa uwi tayo natin, malaki yung plane, di ba?
It's a small jet, actually.
Hindi nga siya jet na, ito propeller lang.
Propeller lang siya.
Vlog si Nari, no?
Mamatay ka, ano? Pero may iwan aeroplano.
And we're here.
Mabuhay, welcome home.
Hi.
Mabuhay, welcome home. Yes.
Welcome home.
Bigay gala.
Pagbigay gala.
Bilal Pino.
Ay, ano ka mga? Bilya, ano ba yan? Bilya.
And our driver for today is Anthony Ramirez. Our driver.
Welcome to my resort. Thank finally guys, pinagbigyan niyo ako to visit me. Kaya pa nag-drive ka nun sa Pradera? Ito.
Claudia Zobel. Hindi marunong si Anthony. Thank you.
Bye guys. Oh, ito to. Gusto niyo ikot ko muna kayo? Dapat si Ryan pag ano din natin. Mas silip ko yung dami. Ano na?
Perfect.
Magpapaparty ako dito.
Perfect lady boy. Yes, and we're here at the clubhouse. Magla-lunch muna here at the clubhouse in Amanpulo. Yes, and we're here. Hi, Ryan.
Ang ganda, ang ganda.
Yes.
For a change.
So, dito muna tayo magstay. And take a rest.
Yes.
And, syempre, ang kanilang bar. Their bar is here. Sorry, mga alak. Hindi basta-basta. And meron silang shisha. And cigars. And look. Ang kanilang cigars, how much? Yossi. 14 po.
Kasi ni Chris mamit ko ng pag-dinner siya.
We're heading to our villa. We're
Ito po yung
here.
mga luggage nyo.
Ay, andyan.
So, ito po yung villa team natin. Si Chef Warren.
Hi po, chef. Hi, chef.
Si Jay, housekeeper.
Hi.
Watermelon.
Hi.
GR po. Groundkeepers muna po sila.
Kuya, pasabi yung Edmundo, palagay dito.
Thank you.
Saan sa 20?
Sa 20, sige po.
Baka sa 20 din nila.
20 siya.
Sige po.
Thank you.
And we're here at our villa. And meron silang welcome Next! And champagne ba ito natin? Champagne! Sarvela with our own pool. Thank you. And we're going to our rooms. We're in our room. Bedroom. Ay, Tita Jan. And Remini. And our bathroom. Shower room. Bathtub. And the CR. Tita John of Freedom Park. Oh, beautiful. Beachfront villa. It's a beachfront villa. Oh, meron din drinks here sa aming villa. Look at the drinks. Kung magkano. Ang Don Papa is 12.6. Boosh. Emote siya. Let's see the kitchen. Let's see kung ano meron sa kitchen. Usual. Nespresso. And there are imported teas. Chamomile. Fruits. Okay, and we're here at the white dinner party.
Yes, document.
Hi, Ryan.
How are you?
Ryan, sabi mo yes.
Yes? Yes! Bakit yes?
Kasi ko na lang.
Yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
As mother.
Mother, say yes.
Kino-content ka na mother.
Vlog yan!
Mother na Rosario. Ulitin mo.
Vlog
Nay,
yan,
yes.
Nanay Rosario.
Nanay.
Yes, Rosario.
vlog. Yes, my
Sit
dear.
lang kayo.
Ganun, Nay.
Dapat ano pa, Norly?
Tita, oh, ang ganda.
Yes!
Oh.
Bakit yes? Ano meron?
Wala na.
Di ba, Nay? Isa na lang, Nay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yes.
Ay, akala ko tatanungin mo
Kitty.
pa.
Ay,
Yes. Yes.
ano yan, Nay? Yung
1, 2, 3, go. Yes.
Ayan. Hanggang doon na talaga yung malakas eh.
Yes.
Lahat ng mag-vlog,
Bumabagsak yung
mag-vlog din
botox.
kaya ako bukas.
I
Yes.
think we need to head to the, there, the bar. Let's go. Let's
Sige,
check.
let's check.
Ano, medyo early May JD.
Meron na.
Yeah, meron. Kompleto actually.
Mali yung sagot mo. May JD.
Yes! Ayan, taray mo ng ano mo. Peplum.
Let's go. Let's head to the... Saan nga si Anthony?
Hi, Mami Weng.
Hi.
Hi, Mami Eman. Hi, good evening. Let's check.
Doctor for us tonight.
I have classic margarita po. Prime gin and tonic. Manito, it's like mojito po siya, but one way. And
How about
then-
yung adobo sa gata?
Gaga.
And this one, I have
Alam ko
no.
naman. Meron lang pang menu kasi
Alam mo.
dito.
Wala lang po.
Niloloko lang kita.
Yan po. Mai Tai and Garibaldi.
Ay, Garibaldi! Garibaldi natin. Alam ba yun? Mamaya, I'll explain to you. Garibaldi.
And then for mocktail po is calamansi colada, lemon and lime fizz, and then calamansi fizz. Without
Ano yung
alcohol.
kalamansi, limonada?
Lemon and lime fizz is like
Ano
cordial
isa yung
po.
may kalamansi?
Calamansi fizz.
Kalamansi colada.
That one po is calamansi cordial, pineapple juice,
I like that. Kalamansi colada.
and coconut milk.
Yes, can I have that?
Here po.
Ano na aming Garibaldi?
It's Aperol and then orange juice po.
What's Aperol?
This one po.
Oh, it's a liquor.
Bitter, yeah.
So hindi siya matapang.
Hindi po.
Sige, try ko
Medyo-
muna yan.
Sige po.
Thank
Ito
you.
yung kalamansi colada.
Yes.
I like the sound of it.
Garibaldi.
Yes, and kalamansi colada.
Tanong mo kay Naki or di ko nag-receive ng Garibaldi. Dati, let's go there. We're going to the food area. So what do we have, Kuya?
Chef, what are we having tonight?
Oh, chef. Si chef pala to.
We'll be having po the chowder, clam chowder.
Okay.
This one is the chicken Alfredo.
Ah.
The chef is preparing the picanha. And
Oh, picanha. Thank you.
Oh,
Thanks, chef.
it's Wagyu.
Oh, Wagyu.
Grilled.
Wagyu. Wagyu.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, chef. Thank you. Yan yung Garibaldi.
Yes.
Grabing libag sa ilalim ng dik.
Garibaldi. Ano yung Garibaldi?
Yes.
Kasama ko team.
And the menu.
Tapos yun mo, nag-dinner pa kami November 29. 19.
Menu.
11.
New England style clam chowder. Grilled Australian. King crab salad.
Okay, okay.
Sides.
Pero ganun talaga. May
Rice.
nagsulab ako letter.
Oh, yum.
Wow! Happy birthday, Meme! Tapos may puputok bigla.
Dined mo yung kanta.
Happy birthday, Meme! Tapos may puputok. After na putok, balik yung camera pag ganun ka. Boom! Ah, meron pa.
May bat?
Wala sa pabayong po mo. Tagilig pa.
And we're here at the Healing Garden. This is the topmost part of Amanpulo.
Pero kasi kami, umakyat kami dun. Dun sa may tower kami nag-picture.
Oo, ako din na-experience ko yan.
Remember?
Pero yun, ganda oh. So
So,
beautiful.
can you see the division of color? So, is that
See?
see you see how one blue coordinates with the other blue?
Kung ano nang masabi. Did you enjoy your trip?
Yeah, abet. Kasi nagkasakit ako.
We're going na. Bye, ang Pampulo.
Dong, let's go, Dong.
Dong dong. Thank you, Jello, our very hospitable butler. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Mampulo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you. We hope to see you more often.
Okay, let's go sa gitna.
Yes.